Today, we're breaking down one of the most talked about Forex brokers, Vantage. If you've been wondering whether Vantage is safe, how their trading conditions compare, or if that referral code actually does anything, stay tuned because we're diving deep. By the end of this video, you'll know whether Vantage is worth your time, and how to use my referral code, abc12345, to access their welcome perks. Let's get started. What is Vantage? Vantage, formerly known as Vantage FX, was founded back in 2009 in Sydney, Australia. It's a multi-asset broker offering forex, indices, commodities, energies, and CFDs on stocks, all accessible through the popular MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. They serve clients in more than 170 countries and are regulated by top authorities such as ASIC in Australia and the FCA in the UK. Their goal is simple: to give traders a fair, fast, and transparent trading environment. Account types and trading platforms. Vantage offers three main account types. Standard STP account, great for beginners. No commission, slightly higher spreads. Raw ECN account, low spreads starting from 0.0 pips but with a small commission per trade. Pro ECN account, built for experienced traders with larger deposits. Minimum deposit, just 50 United States dollars, which is quite competitive. You can trade on Mount 4, Mount 5, or Vantage's own web platform called ProTrader, which feels smooth and modern. They also support copy trading and VPS hosting for algorithmic traders who want zero downtime, fees, and spreads. Vantage's spreads are very competitive. On the raw ECN account, you can see spreads from 0.0 pips with a $3 commission per side, that $6 round trip per lot. The standard account has no commission, but spreads start around 1.0 to 1.4 pips. There are no deposit fees and no withdrawal fees for most payment methods, although your bank might charge its own processing fee. Pretty clean and transparent overall. One of Vantage's strongest areas is tools and education. They integrate with Trading Central and AutoChartist, two powerful analysis tools that can help you spot opportunities automatically. You also get daily market news, webinars, tutorials, and even copy trading options through platforms like ZuluTrade and DupliTrade. So, whether you're new or experienced, you'll find something useful. Let's talk about trust and safety. Vantage is regulated by ASIC in Australia, FCA in the UK, and CHEMA in the Cayman Islands for international clients. They also offer segregated client funds, meaning your money is held separately from the broker's operational accounts. There's also negative balance protection, which prevents you from losing more than your deposit. That's a major plus for safety-minded traders. User feedback on Vantage is mixed but generally positive. Many traders praise their fast withdrawals, solid customer support, and low latency execution. However, some users have reported occasional verification delays or withdrawal timing issues, depending on region and payment method. That's fairly typical for global brokers, but it's worth keeping in mind. If you're a beginner, Vantage is easy to start with thanks to its low minimum deposit and copy trading options. If you're a pro trader, the raw ECN account offers tight spreads and fast execution, ideal for scalpers or algorithmic traders. If you prefer mobile trading, their Vantage app is well designed and highly rated. In short, it's a solid fit for most traders as long as you understand the risks of leverage trading. How to register and use referral code abc12345. Here's how to register. Go to the official Vantage website, link in the description below. Click Sign Up or Create Account. Enter your personal details accurately. When you reach the referral code field, type abc12345. Verify your account with ID or proof of address. Make your first deposit, minimum $50, and you're good to go. Using the referral code abc12345 may unlock additional trading benefits. Check the Vantage site for the current offer. Pros: regulated by trusted authorities, tight spreads on ECN accounts. Excellent tools like AutoChartist and Trading Central supports copy trading and Mount 4 MT5. Low deposit requirement. Cons: no access for U.S. clients, some regional withdrawal delays. Education content could be more advanced still. The pros heavily outweigh the cons for most traders. So is Vantage a good broker? In my opinion, yes. If you want a regulated, transparent Forex broker with strong tools and low spreads, it's definitely worth considering. But remember, Forex and CFD trading carry risk. Never trade with money you can't afford to lose. If you're ready to explore Vantage, use the referral code abc12345 when signing up. You'll find the link below this video. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to subscribe, and hit the bell for more trading reviews and tutorials every week. Thanks for watching and trade smart.